Welcome to our giant pasta factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how pasta is manufactured, from starch and premium ingredients to the world. Don't forget to subscribe for more.
Precise mixing creates a strong, elastic dough that produces high-quality pasta with the perfect texture.
Station 1, moisture levels are holding steady at 12%.
Mixing speed is drifting. Correcting the ratio now.
Different precision dies create hundreds of unique pasta shapes with consistent quality.
Controlled drying prevents cracking while extending shelf life.
Our AI optical cameras inspect every piece, checking for perfect size, color, and shape.
Every batch is carefully tested to ensure premium taste, texture, and food safety.
Automated packaging keeps every package fresh and protected during transportation. Every day, millions of pasta packages are delivered to families around the world.
Every day, millions of pasta packages are delivered to families around the world.
And that's how pasta is manufactured, from simple starch and premium ingredients to perfectly crafted pasta enjoyed around the world. Thanks for watching.